Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. I hope you're doing fantastic. Today we're going to be doing a product review on the multi-purpose LED fill light from the dollar store. So this is what it looks like out of the box. It's your standard ring light setup where all of the influencers have them there, and there is a switch where you can adjust temperature, power, and also brightness levels, and we're going to do a full review on it right now, so stay tuned as we test it out. Is a ring light from the dollar store, really. So we looked at it from when we opened the box, but we are now going to test it and see how it performs. So here I have the ring light still, and we are going to test it out and see how it performs. So it plugs in via USB, so if you want to use it on, let's say, like an external plug, you should use like an external charger port or an AC adapter of the light. Like, default settings allows you to get it so bright, but you can also adjust the brightness by pressing the minus sign, and then it adjusts the brightness quite well, and then you can also make it brighter to the max. And then they also have a temperature switch, so this is normal, this is warm lighting, and this is cool lighting. So we're going to go back to normal lighting, and then we're going to test the various conditions to see how it performs, because everybody would like to have a good lighting setup for their channel. It's like a nice little add-on to what you have with your YouTube channel, and it's only like $4 at the Dollarama here where I live. We'll see you next time for another video. Bye-bye for now, everyone.